Day 2 of hot shotting with Mark. We got some pipe cleaners. What are these things? Some corrugated
like
tubings.
Irrigation piping or septic piping.
So it's loading it up. Looks super sketch. So he's just telling the forklift dude what's up. Telling the mans how to do his job. That is so ridiculous, you guys, if you look at how high it is. It's so much higher than this Ram. So we're towing with Ram 3500, high output. It's a 2020. It's all stock. No airbags in the back. And he's got this Texas Pride trailer here. And they're supposed to be putting 2 of these things on here, so. Dude, that's gonna be hanging off far. It's gonna be hanging off so far. Like if he's putting on another set like this, there's gonna be like half of it hanging. Yeah. Yeah. Like at least like 5 feet.
So how did my man do it?
I think you gotta let out more of it though, otherwise you're gonna lose the tail of it. Look at this. This is the throwing action. Over your head. Oh, more height. We just watched a senior do this, so we're trying this. Oh, there it is. Money. Let's see. Let's see how she looks. Look at that. Old man knew what he was doing. Let's see if you're good on the first throw on this one. You got your skill sorted out? There you go. Look, we'll get the action shot. Look at that, first try. There she is. So here we go. Got the other one loaded up. So we're gonna ratchet strap this stuff down. Because we'll see Mark whip some of these straps over a little more. And then, I actually thought it was gonna hang off the back a lot more, but only got a few feet off the back, so we good. Mark's over here rat-a-chat-chatting with his ratchets.
Don't buy one of these. Whatever you do. Buy a normal one.
So we got our straps tightened and should be about it. Alright, you guys wanna know how much it costs to fill this? I was gonna swear, but can't. Gotta keep PG. Where's your sticker? You need to put a sticker on here.
Well, I was gonna go do that, but the freaking pump doesn't have a clicker thing. Unless that is. What is that? So I have to sit here and pump 100 gallons and hold this the entire time?
Yep.
Oh.
Take the other gas cap and put it in there. The gas cap from your thing. You shove it in there. You never seen that trick? Yeah, grab your gas cap from here. There we go. We're gonna show Mark the gas cap trick.
What do I do? Take this?
No. Whoa. Are you done with this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
For what? This?
Yeah, you shove it in sideways though, or you can do it that way. Either way. There we go. Automatic.
Sticker.
Let's go. He's gonna put a sticker. This is the price. Oh, you guys can't even see it. What's going on here? $504 for diesel. This is insane. And we're also gonna fill up the DEF fluid in just a second as well on this side. Oh, I think it's gotta be next to the price, no? Or maybe there. Yeah, probably there.
When lights are on, satellite pump is in use.
You're fine. There it is.
It's my guy Joe Byron. Bing bong.
He definitely did that. So we'll see how much total is here. It's gonna be nuts. We're already at $300. So we're filling the tank in the truck and then filling
$650.
$650?
I need to fill it back myself.
How many total gallons you got again? What is it, 9?
We're at a half tank on that, and then that's.
And this is how many again? 60?
I think 50 or 55.
And then that's 90?
I did 26 gallons of that, and that was empty, so I would probably fill up like 85.
And this was how many? 90?
Yeah. I don't think it ever empties out completely.
It's crazy. Let's see what we got. We're already at 65 gallons filling up both tanks. Not the good.
$7.
So it's 500 and
I accidentally cleared it.
I think it was like $570 for diesel, and it was almost 20 bucks for the DEF fluid, 4.6 gallons. And check this out. So we're at McDonald's, and you can get chicken nuggets in your burger, a land, air, and sea, where it's got a McChicken in it. Is that two McChickens? Oh no, it's got a McChicken, a McFilet, and a Big Mac. Spicy land, air, and sea. So it's got chicken, beef, and a Filet-O-Fish. What the hell? Alright, don't ever do this. Oh, I turned that off. This is 3:37 in the morning. We got back to Arizona because this crazy dude wanted to torture me on a hot shot.
I just want to get home, dude.
We back. We out. We're going to sleep. I swear, every single day, you guys, I'm in a different car. So right now I'm in Mark's 350Z. This is his drift car, just kind of his beater that he uses to go drifting with. But I'm taking this car right now. So Mark went and dropped off that load that we picked up yesterday, so he did that early in the morning. Right now I'm in his car, and I borrowed it because I returned the rental. As you guys know, we took back the Ford Mustang, and right now I'm headed back to the house that I do have the offer in on. I think I mentioned to you guys the house that had the pool that we were running into a bit of build issues. I do, and I did, even when I made that video, have an offer in on that house, like under contract, but we started running into those issues. Some things progressed. I'll talk a little bit more about it in a bit, but ended up talking to a company that builds shops, and they said that they would be able to work around some of those issues of retention area and stuff like that, and that they've dealt with that kind of stuff before, so they know, you know, what to do as far as permitting and stuff. And he said I can build pretty much as big as a shop as I want. Like if I want a 40 by 60 or 40 by 80, he says he can make it happen, and he's already looked at the plans and drawings of that home. So some better news. So right now there's a home inspection going on in the house, so I'm just headed out there to see if there's any, you know, major issues with the house, and we'll see what happens. All right guys, so here we are. We're back at the house. This is the one that we mentioned. So we did the home inspection. We did find some other issues with the house. So just, I swear you guys, I can't catch a break on this home search thing, but we got to go back to the listing agent, see if what they want to do about some of the repairs. There's a lot of minor things, like just, you know, silly little things like door handles and, you know, faucets and just tiny things. But then there's some other major stuff, some major, not necessarily issues, but unknowns with the pool. Like I think I showed you guys, there's a second pool pump that's not connected for some reason. So there's some unknowns there that could potentially be expensive to repair. And then also there's the home inspector which by the way was very thorough. I don't think they'll ever watch this video, but they did an awesome job, and they found that, I don't know if you guys can see this, they resealed the roof, but if you look right there, how there's like that white sealant, it's having a hard time focusing on the corner, there's more areas on the top of the roof that need to be sealed that way. So I'm hoping that they just finished resealing that like within the last couple weeks or so. So I'm hoping that whatever company just did that work can come back and it's under warranty and they can actually finish the job. I can't remember exactly where it is, but there's some areas, you know, on the corners that need to be sealed. So hopefully that's a non-issue and they can fix that, since they've already just paid a company to do that. But the pool is the other issue. So that's about it. I'm gonna head back to Mark's. I'm not sure if there'll be anything to see there, but if not, I'll wrap up the video. I'll show you guys a little drive back, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the video here while you can still see me. It's pretty much dark outside. I just finished filling up Mark's little 350Z with some fuel, and then I'm gonna go back to his place, but it's gonna be pitch dark by the time we get back there. So as of right now, the making of this video, it is Tuesday, and I should be having this video out for you guys on Tuesday night. The house is still like in the air. We're gonna go back to them, see if the listing agent wants to do anything with us as far as, you know, compensating us or trying to fix some of these issues that are with the house. And then we'll see what happens from there. So I'll keep you guys updated on the situation. There's just a ton of cool stuff to do in Arizona. For example, there's like a lot of freshwater lakes and stuff like that. You can go on like these crazy river floats where like you get a bunch of tubes and it's like you get a bunch of friends together and you go way up and there's like an actual shuttle that takes you in between, and you can go down these river floats and everybody's just floating on tubes and having a good time, and you know, maybe some alcoholic beverages are involved, but you can float all the way down and the shuttle takes you all the way back to your, you know, where you parked and all that stuff. So it's pretty cool. And then, I mean, you got boating, you can street legally drive dirt bikes, four-wheelers, side-by-sides right from your door to state land that has all sorts of trails, and you can go. Also, you can street legally drive four-wheelers and side-by-sides here. You can just drive around on them as if they're cars. So lots of cool stuff and exciting stuff in Arizona if we get to, you know, if we end up getting this place. Plus, we can also bid on cars on Copart for some reason. I think I mentioned to you guys as well, even it might have been on a live stream, but for some reason, Copart, if you're in Arizona, you can bid on any car and you don't need a broker's license or you don't need a dealer license. So that's some exciting stuff because we can bid on stuff on Copart and get some cars as well. So, and I also think I told you guys that the building inspector, or not building inspector, but a company that builds shops said they can get pretty much whatever size, or, you know, probably the biggest size I originally had in mind. You can probably still do like a 30 by 40, 30 by 60, 40 by 60 shop on that space. So we should be good to go as long as we can get some compensation for some of these, you know, issues with the property. Then be a little bit of work, but that property, you guys, like, you can't touch anything in this area like of that sort for like under, you know, mid sixes, but I'm getting this substantially less. So I'm getting it for a deal, just know that. Like, I'm not like paying some crazy astronomical price. You know, it's like in the mid fives that I'm trying to work out a price for this thing. But in reality, this place would be worth like mid to high sixes if it was all cleaned up. So just keep that in mind. But we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next video. All right, just before I let you guys go, I got to show you this. Mark was just showing me on his truck. Look at his tire. Look at that bubble. That is insane. We're so lucky we made it back without any issues. What are these? Are these Goodyears?
Nexons. They're some Korean brand.
What the heck? Look at that. That is wild. It's like a big pimple. That's so crazy.